We're back on this pinpoint weather alert day as the snow and Arctic air comes to Colorado as we speak, along with much of the country. And as we officially start winter today, Dr. Raveesh Richard joins us from Denver Health to talk about safety while shoveling snow, not just today and in the next few days, but really all winter long. Dr. Richard, thanks for coming in. Appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.
Okay, bottom line, what do people need to know to shovel snow safely?
Well, yeah, there's some certain techniques to be aware of to properly shovel snow. Specifically, lift with your legs, not so much your back. Keep your back straight. Think about things such as changing and alternating your hand stance, keeping your legs about shoulder width apart. Those are things that can help prevent issues with your back in particular.
What kind of injuries do you see, and how common are injuries that people get while shoveling snow? How serious are they?
Yeah, the most commonly related shoveling injuries are to your lower back, just because you can imagine there's a lot of strain put on your back when shoveling. Yeah. But fractures are very common, especially when people slip and fall. There's a national study that shows that these rates more than double during times of snow. And also, specifically, cardiac-related events. About 7% of the time, snow shoveling-related injuries can cause cardiac events. So just be aware of that. Call your doctor, call 911 if you have any shortness of breath, heart racing, those kind of symptoms.
I guess it's probably a good reminder to people, don't be afraid to do that. If you fall or you have some cardiac issues, there are people there to help, and it's always good to call. Be safe.
Absolutely. Better to be safe than sorry, for sure.
If people have the opportunity for a snowblower, I take it that's a lot better to use? Or no?
Definitely, if you can. It's better to always push than to shovel if you can. But one thing to keep in mind about snowblowers in particular, they can cause a lot of hand-related injuries. So if it gets stuck, don't put your hand in that snow chute. Use something to unclog it, whether it's a stick or some other device. I've seen a lot of horrific hand injuries related to snowblowers as well.
Ooh, that sounds dangerous. Gruesome at that. Real quick, I know it's not exactly your specialty with orthopedics, but the temperature coming up. Yeah. Should people just wait a little bit and not get out and, minus 20 wind chills and shovel? Yeah,
you got to think about the cold weather. It puts strain on a lot of things, including your muscles, but also your heart. So again, for people with health-related conditions, specifically to your heart, it's probably a good idea to stay indoors as much as possible.
Right. It's a great reminder. Dr. Raveesh Richard at Denver Health. Good to see you, Doc.
Thank you.